What's going on, folks? Tony Sanchez here, just coming at you with a little quick video explaining how I actually wound up getting my Boya lavalier microphone to work with my iPhone. So this is the microphone that I bought right here, Boya lavalier, and I got this so I can utilize it with my smartphone, my iPhone XR, to get some decent quality audio out of it. So man, it was an experience. I had to buy all kinds of cords and this and that, and it wound up being something super simple. So now, as you guys know, the iPhone XR takes it's a Lightning. There is no jack adapter or 3.5 jack, whatever. So you have to buy something because this is it's plugged into a jack, a 3.5. So, and actually, this is the mic right here. It's 20 feet long. You wire yourself up with the mic. Then it's got like 20 feet of cord, so you can get farther away from your phone and still have really good audio. So boom, I was excited. I'm like, okay, simple. All I need to do is buy one of these, which is a Lightning to 3.5 adapter. I'm sure you guys have seen them. So real simple. There you go. So when I got that in, I was like, boom, we're in business. Let's get some decent audio. And it wound up not working. So I was pretty discouraged, pretty upset. But guys, I figured out the trick, how to get it to work. It's super simple. I see a lot of people had to buy like a USB camera adapter, and it was like $40, $50 in adapters. Nope, you don't have to do all that. I figured it out, so check it out. So this didn't work, okay. So right after that, I wound up buying these, which came in like a 2-pack. Trying to get to focus here so you can see. It is a, there you go. It's for headphones and charging at the same time. So that was that. I got that one. Actually, I got this one first. This one was my fault. I wound up getting a Lightning to double Lightning for charging and listening to headphones. So that was my fault. So I'll charge that to the game. That was my fault. Then I got the right one that I was looking for, which was a Lightning to Lightning and 3.5 adapter. That didn't work. So I'm like, what is going on? So I looked up the details on this, and what the problem is this isn't MFI certified. So if you guys don't know what MFI means, it stands for Made for iPhone. This is not MFI certified. So this would only work for the iPhone 7. There was iOS 9 and before. See, our updates is like an iOS 12. So that's not going to work. So one of my last ditch efforts, I bought these, which are TRS to TRRS and TRRS to TRRS adapters, whatever. Those didn't work. So my last ditch effort before I bought what I know would have worked, which would have been the Lightning to USB and then a USB camera adapter, which, like I said, is $40, $50. Excuse me. It's hot. It's like 30 degrees outside, so I'm going to have this beanie on. So, oh boy, get a haircut soon. Boom, that's better. So last ditch effort before I paid for all that was I got one of these. This is an MFI iPhone XR dongle. So it's certified for Apple. It works with all updates. This is what I needed. I mean, I needed it anyways because I don't know where my old one went, but now I got that. So I'm going through all these different adapters because I want to roll. I don't want to leave any stone unturned. So I'm going through all these adapters, plugging them up, trying them with the mic, and I'm like, what's going on? It's not working. So I'm going to have to have to spend this $40, $50. Like the people I've seen on YouTube. So before I did that, I was like, you know what? It's a shot in the dark, but let me try it. Let me just take this Lightning adapter, this dongle, this Lightning to 3.5, that's MFI certified for my phone, and let me plug it up and just plug the mic into that. So, and this is what we got. So boom, we'll plug that in first. Free up some of this line here. Let's get mic'd up real quick. Boom. Now check this out. We're going to plug up this TRRS adapter here. It takes like a second or two. You'll hear it plug up. So that's how you know it's working. At first, I used something else, and I got what I thought was audio when I did the playback. But it was actually my phone thought it was headphones. So what I heard was the noise you hear with headphones when you plug them up. And it tricked me for a second because I thought it was actually working, but after the playback and I went far away or whatever, it was not working. So this works. This is your typical Apple MFI certified Lightning dongle for iPhone XR, X, XS, XX Max, and that's all it takes. Now, if you have a mic, a lavalier mic, but the adapter is TRS, which means it'll have 2 bands, then you'll probably need one of these converters. See, my iPhone accepts TRRS, which has 3 bands, which mine came with. So all I needed was the lightning dongle. So as you guys can hear, it works fine. Let me unravel this cord. And this is simple, guys. I've searched all over YouTube looking for this answer. And all I got was a couple videos that said, oh, you need to buy, you know what I'm saying, these crazy camera adapters and this lightning to USB and these like damn near looks like a converter box. Like these things are bulky. And I'm like, well, I mean, you know what? If that's what I got to do to shoot quality videos on my iPhone XR, I mean, because guys, I'm going to get a camera. I'm looking at a few, but these things are no joke. Like you need a camera that has a flip screen that shoots, you know, at least 1080p, 60 frames per second. It's got a external mic input, and to get all those things in one package, it costs pretty penny. So right now I'm relying on my iPhone XR and my little GoPro session setup. So that's what I'm using for right now. So in conjunction with this mic that I'm shooting this video, so I'm hoping it's working. I have to play it back. I think I can get pretty decent videos. I mean, I've got some decent lighting in here. So when you're making videos, obviously you need decent lighting, you need decent audio. You want those things to be great. Your phone should work just fine as far as taking quality, videos like what you see. Should work just fine. These phones, I think, shoot at 1080p around, it's either 30 frames. Yeah, I think it's 30 frames a second, which is acceptable. It's fine. But if you're missing the other components such as audio and lighting, then you're in trouble. So you're not going to have great videos. So what we're going to do real quick is I'm going to kind of get this. I mean, that's the only downfall about this this mic is the line, but it's not a big deal. I'll just kind of hold it in my hand and let it go as I go. So let me show you guys that this is actually working. Let some line loose. Try not to knock my phone over. So as you guys can, I'm going to try to talk the whole time, but you hear that the audio is consistent. It's just because I moved away from my phone. It still stays the same. And I'm going to go out this little sheet into my bathroom and out to my bedroom and close to my bedroom door. It's about how far I can get with it. And you guys will see the audio will stay the same. Stay tuned. Hold on. I don't want to knock down my phone, so let me get as much line. There we go. So now I'm in my bathroom. Moving out to my bedroom out here. And now I'm over here by my, hold on. There we go. I'm all the way by my bedroom door. So I'm separated by literally 2 walls and an entryway, a few walls and entryway, and my bathroom on top of that. Excuse me. So, and you guys can hear, I'm sure that the audio is the same. So now I'm walking back towards the bathroom, going into the bathroom, and you guys should see me here in a second. Hello, baby. So, get off me. Get off me. All right, so that's all it was, guys. So this, like I said, is a quick how-to video. If you've been looking for, excuse me, guys, I got a cold. If you've been looking for, if you've been wanting to make videos with your iPhone and you've had the same issue and you can't figure out how to get an external mic hooked up, boom, here you go. Like I said, I searched over YouTube, no easy answers, no direct answers. This is it, guys. This is 2019, February. If you got an iPhone, as far as I know, an X, XR, XS, XX Max, and you have an external mic and you want to shoot audio with it, simply get you a dongle that's MFI certified, which means made for iPhone, and that's it. Plug your TRRS microphone into that dongle. Voila, baby, you got audio. You got quality audio. So, hello. See, it's working. Works great. So, anyways, guys, I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes. We're at 9:38, so I'm going to get out of here, guys. Please consider subscribing to this channel and hit that bell notification. It doesn't cost you anything, guys. It's free. Just show support to the channel, and I'll be trying to put out at least one video a week. So, peace out, guys.